The University of Limerick, one of Ireland's leading universities, offers the opportunity to study law in a challenging and rewarding environment, taught by a dynamic and experienced faculty who will give you the skills and knowledge to pursue a career in the legal profession and a lot more besides. So if you are looking for something different, then choose a degree less ordinary at the University of Limerick.
Here at the university, we break from tradition in just offering plain law degrees. We believe that you can't study law without it studied in context. And so we offer you the chance to study all types of areas, as from diverse as, for example, from accountancy to traditional music, from Irish through to Japanese. These are all different options that are available to you if you take one of our programs.
So what is it actually like to pursue a career in the legal profession?
You have to be able to get on with people. You are interacting with people all the time. It's not a career where you can just go in and close the door and work in a little office. You have to interact with people, you have to talk with people, you have to have an inquiry mind, you have to be able to read carefully and digest information carefully, and have an inquiry mind to read it and discern it and ask questions about what you're reading.
I found my experience here in UL very, very positive. I have absolutely no complaints. I never would regret my decision coming here. Everyone is so friendly. I have to say, I've been to all of the campuses in Ireland, all of the universities, and we have by far, and I am not being biased, but we have by far the most beautiful campus in Ireland. The lecturers are brilliant here at the university, and I think that that's a fact that's often overlooked by students when they're contemplating whether or not they come to UL. I was very surprised when I came here that the majority of lecturers have actually written the standard textbooks for our courses.
We got an opportunity to do moot court in tort law, and that was very good because it gave people an experience of arguing and debating and basically what people are going to be doing as a profession for years to come.
The thing about law and giving legal advice is that your client comes to you with a problem, so you have to figure out what the problem is. You have to find out what the relevant law and legislation and commentary and case law is, and you have to read that and then you have to apply it and you have to give your client a response.
We look for graduates with obviously a strong accounting or numerical skills, but also graduates who have an interest in law, because the whole area of insolvency involves a lot of interaction with legal firms and with courts. People who work in our firm run businesses. They are seriously involved in the management at a high level of how businesses are taken through a distressed scenario. So, like when we select the co-op students, we actually interview them as if we're interviewing somebody for a 3-year contract. So they go through the normal interview process, because we're not just looking for someone to fill a role for 8 months, we're looking for someone to fill a role for 8 months, and then if they work out with us and we work out with them, then we will offer them a position.
UL is the only university in Ireland that offers the cooperative education programme. This is a huge advantage to students. I cannot stress this enough. It gives you a work placement on your CV before you even graduate.
The co-op placement scheme in UL, it just totally sets UL graduates apart from all other graduates. Having 9 months experience working in an office just gives students a sense of confidence, gives them an idea of how the commercial world operates. And when we're interviewing graduates for our trainee scheme here, what we look for is people who have some element of commercial awareness, who can apply the theory of what they're learning in law school to the real world, and that comes through experience. So to get the chance to work in a top 5 law firm for 9 months just sets you apart from all other graduates.
I did law and accounting and I really liked both aspects of the programme, but I decided to go down the law route, and I've been lucky enough to secure a traineeship in one of the big firms in Dublin, so I'll be starting in A&L Goodbody next year, and I'm really looking forward to that.
If you're considering doing a law degree, choose Limerick. We offer a challenging and exciting programme with a student-friendly environment and with opportunities which allow you to work in a vast array of areas, not just in the legal profession. If you're looking for something different, choose Limerick. Choose a degree less ordinary.